Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Chromecast and putting it on the same network as your iPad. This is essential because casting communicates over Wi-Fi. Once done, open the Google Home app and sign in so the app can discover new devices. If the device isn't visible, make sure Bluetooth is on for discovery and your router isn't isolating clients. You're taking control now. Connect the Chromecast, confirm the LED, and follow Home's prompts to pair and assign a room. You'll now finalize configuration and learn how to cast content from apps. After naming the device and letting it update, open a cast-enabled app like YouTube or Netflix. Tap the cast icon, pick your Chromecast, and playback begins. This hands control to the Chromecast so network latency doesn't affect playback. If you want mirror or non-supported apps, open the Google Home app and use the screencast option. Make sure video resolution matches your TV's aspect ratio for best results. To finish, stop casting from the app's cast icon or from Google Home's device card. This cleanly releases playback control. You should know you can mirror the iPad screen through Google Home, but DRM apps often require in-app casting, which prevents mirroring. If something goes wrong, restart the Chromecast, your router, and the iPad in that order. Then confirm all devices share the same network and subnet. One key troubleshooting tip: disable AP/client isolation on your router so devices can see each other.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.